Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is the 76th tutorial in this course, and in this tutorial we are going to talk about integer promotion or automatic typecasting in C. So as you can see, using code blocks, I have saved a file. I have given it the name integer promotion.c, and on line 1 in this file I have the stdio.h header file. On line number 2 I have declared the main function, and then between the curly braces I have few lines of code. And this program is really simple to understand. We haven't done much, and we're just going to talk about one thing, so it's going to be a really short tutorial. And on line number 4 I've declared two integers and I've given them names a and b. On line number 5 I've initialized a with the value 10, and then on line number 6 I've declared a character and I've given it the name x, and then on line number 7 I've given x the value capital A. Right, so we know that the ASCII code of the character capital A, that is uppercase A, is 65. Right, so if you don't know the ASCII codes of characters, and you can search for ASCII codes on you can do a Google search, and what you have to search for is ASCII, and I guess it stands for American Standard Code for Information Interchange, and I could be wrong, but there's a table that has lots of characters, and I guess 127 characters and corresponding numbers. So each character basically has a numeric value, and that's how the characters are recognized by the computer. So the value corresponding to capital A or uppercase A is 65, and the value corresponding to small case a is 97. Right, and then on line number 8 what I've done is I've added the value of x to a. Now x here is a character and a is an integer, right? So there's a type mismatch here, but the compiler is intelligent enough to promote the character x to an integer and then add its value to a and store the result in b. Right, so since x is a character, the compiler is going to fetch its ASCII value, which is 65. It's going to add that value to a, and the value of a here is 10, so 65 would be added to 10 and the result 75 would be stored in b. Right, and on line number 9 I have a printf statement that's going to display the value of the variable b on screen, and of course I've used the %d format specifier here because b is an integer. So let me run the program and show you guys the output. There you go, you see in the output window that the value of b is 75. So this is automatic typecasting, and this is also called integer promotion because a character has been promoted to an integer before being used in a mathematical expression. Right, so that's all I wanted to discuss with you guys in this tutorial, and thank you so much for watching this, and please subscribe to my channel in case you haven't already, and I'm gonna see you soon.